it's now time for the gouge. And the gouge is a Navy word that Dr. Paul and I used and every other Navy member. And it's really things you need to know, or as we say, it's shit you need to know. So this is the gouge for this week, and it's called cold water immersion. Dr. Paul, I've been doing cold water immersion in my pool because it's kind of the winter time now. And I've been getting in water that's 48 degrees to 51 degrees. It is really cold, but I'm telling you, I feel so much better. I only do it for 5 minutes. It takes some breathing exercises. It takes some getting used to, but it's making me feel amazing, like I'm younger. I have more energy. I just love it. But what they really have found out, it actually helps women with menopause, with hot flashes. This cold water immersion has been done in Northern Europe for many years.